Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on my channel, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to cut and fry your plantain to make that delicious dodo. Dodo is a very sweet plantain meal that is loved by many. So I'm using ripe plantain. The ripeness of your plantain determines how sweet your dodo is going to be. After washing my plantains, I will start by cutting both sides and cut a slit down the plantain. Remove the skin. It is very easy when it is ripe. Then I'll cut it from this side, this arch. That's the best side to cut your plantain from if you are cutting it diagonally like this. If you want to cut it the other way, you can do it, but it's gonna be very stressful, like you're gonna get stuck. So this is the right way to do it. So this is one way to cut your plantain to make your dodo. Another simpler way, you could cut it into discs like this. Then you can still further cut it. After cutting it into disc, you can cut it into little cubes like this. Very easy. It looks so pretty. You can scoop it with spoon. Excellent for kids. If this is your first time on my channel, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your notification bell, like and share the video. Thank you and God bless you. You can also follow me on Facebook, Instagram and Pinterest. So these are the second and third ways to cut your plantain. So this is the fourth way to cut your plantain. Cut it into three. Then you cut it horizontally like this. Special shout out to all those that have subscribed. You guys are the best. You guys are amazing. Thank you. I love you and God bless you. Let me show you another way to cut your plantain with the last part of it. Cut it horizontally. Then further cut it into two. You can leave it like that, or you can further cut it diagonally like this. So we have the fourth and fifth ways to cut your plantain to make your dodo. So the last and final way to cut your plantain is diagonally, but it's very long. Cutting it into long diagonal style like this. See how long this plantain is. So these are the 6 ways to cut your plantain to make your delicious dodo. So you can choose whichever you want, whichever is easy for you to make your own delicious dodo. If you like what you are seeing, please like and share the video, and please do not forget to subscribe. Thank you. So now that we are done, it is time to fry the dodo. So you have to heat up the oil, turn it on to medium high. So when it is hot, I use salt. Some people don't use salt, so I just dip it in water and sprinkle it on the plantain. I like to rub it in to make sure each plantain is covered with the salt. Check to see if the oil is hot. When it is hot, it is time to start frying the dodo. Make sure the oil is not too hot, because if the oil is too hot, it's gonna start burning and the inside is not gonna cook. So it is better to put it on medium heat when you start frying. So after 4 to 5 minutes, you can flip it. Whenever I fry my dodo, I like to line my sieve with a paper towel so that it will soak up the excess oil. I love dodo a lot. I do not like burnt dodo, so I would like to babysit my dodo. So every 4 to 5 minutes I flip them to make sure one part is not extremely brown. If you leave your dodo, if you do not babysit your dodo, you leave it and walk away. By the time you come back, one side is burnt. So I like to babysit my dodo. If you want your dodo to be very, very dark, you can fry it as dark as you want. So if you want it to be very light golden brown, you can take it out like this. If you want it darker, you can leave it. If you enjoy burnt plantain, you can leave it to burn too. Some people like burnt plantain. I don't know. So I'll continue frying till I'm done. Let me tell you a quick story about burnt food. When I was younger, whenever my mom boiled yam, the yam is always burnt. Not like burnt, but just slightly golden brown burnt. So I did not know she preferred it that way. So one day I was boiling yam, and when it was done, I wanted to take it off heat. She said, "No, let the water dry up. Let it sit there." Then I said, "Oh my gosh, she preferred burnt yam." And I'm not gonna lie to you, it tastes so good. I think it tastes like a roasted yam, but not extremely burnt, so it tastes good. You need to try it to understand what I'm talking about. It's so good. And I've also met people that like bottom pot food. They love it. So if you are that type of person, leave a comment in the comment section. So please, if you are still watching this video and you're not yet subscribed, please help me, I beg. Subscribe, like, share the video, invite your friends, leave a comment in the comment section, and please do not forget to follow me on other social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest. Thank you and God bless you. Let me give you 3 reasons why you should subscribe. Firstly, it is free. Secondly, it is gonna be easy for you to find my channel whenever you want to check out any of my recipe or new recipe. And thirdly, it is gonna help my channel grow. So it is win-win all around. So these are the dodo. Let us check to see if they are done. All of them done. This one is very hot. It just came out of the fire. It's really hot, but it is done. You can see it's very flexible. It is done. All of them are done. So this is how you fry your dodo. This is how you make dodo in case you don't know how to make dodo. And these are so many ways you can cut your plantain to make very beautiful dodo. You're gonna be proud of yourself. It is very important to change things up, do things differently from how you used to do it. Now that you know how to cut plantain different ways, you can try one of these ways and hopefully impress your kids. Thank you so much for watching. Till I see you next time, stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.